here on out, you don't have to push the button. You just ram forward.
Oh man.
See the dot down here?
Oh wow.
Real sensitive trigger.
Just hold it snug.
We're playing the trigger ball.
How was it?
It hurts. I think that's it. That's good.
Good job.
It's pretty nice looking through the scope. Oh man, okay.
See your face, that was great.
Well, does it kick hard?
Huh?
Is it gonna kick hard or should I hold it down here?
Yeah, anywhere you want it. Just have fun with it, no matter. Just don't shoot me, it's all.
I don't know, I just...
Hold it down there, hold it down there, what the hell?
I'm afraid it's gonna...
Watch, you'll see what it does.
I just want to feel it. Okay.
Rip them off fast.
Alright, I'm gonna get that white thing. That's it. I never did it.
Get some. Good job.
This is my security system.